Hello, my name is Jean-Paul Ramirez Arias, and my exposition is about history of industrial engineering. History of industrial engineering. Industrial Revolution. The roots of the industrial engineering profession date back to the Industrial Revolution. The technologies that helped machinize traditional manual operation in the textile industry, including the flaring shroud, the spinning jenny, and perhaps most importantly, the steam engine, generate economies of scale that made mass production in centralized location attractive for the first time. The concept of the production system had its genesis in the factories created by this innovation. Specialization of labor. Adam Smith's concept of division of labor and the invisible hand of the capitalist introduced in his treatise The Health of Nations motivated many of technological innovators of the Industrial Revolution to establish and implement factory system. The efforts of Jane Watt and Matthew Wilson led to the first integrated machine manufacturing facility in the world, including the implementation of concepts such as cost control systems to reduce waste and increase productivity, and the institution of skill training for craftsmen. Interchangeable parts. Elliot Whitney and Simon North provide the feasibility of the notion of interchangeable parts in the manufacture of muskets and pistols for the US government. Under this system, individual parts were mass-produced to tolerance to enable their use in any finished product. The result was a significant reduction in the need for skill from specialized workers, which eventually led to the industrial environment to the street later. Modern development. Industrial engineering. In 1960 to 1975, with the development of decision support systems in supply such as the material requires planning (MRP), people can emphasize and teaming use inventory, production, compounding, and transportation, etc. of industrial organization. Israeli scientist Jacob Rubnovich installed the CMMS program developed and IAI and control data in 1976 in South Africa and worldwide. In the 70s, with the penetration of Japanese management theories such as Kaizen and Kanban, Japan realized very high level of quality and productivity. The theory improved use of quality, delivery time, and flexibility. Companies in the West realized the great impact and Kaizen and started implementing their own continuous improvement programs. In the in the 19th following the global industrialization process, the emphasis was on supply chain management and consumer-oriented business producer design. A theory of constant developed by an Israeli scientist Eliyahu and that Goldratt is also a significant milestone in the field. In manufacturing and production engineering. Modern manufacturing engineering studies include intermediate process required for the production and integration of a product complement. Some industries, such as semiconductor and steel manufacturers, use the term fabrication for this process. Uh, Automation is used in different processes of manufacturing, such as machining and welding. Automated manufacturing refers to the application of automation to produce goods in a factory. The main advantages of automated manufacturing for the manufacturing process are realized with effective implementation of automation and include higher consistency and quality, reduction of lead time, simplification of products, reduce handling, improve workflow, and improve work morale. Robotics. In the application of mechatronics and automation to create robots, which are often used in manufacturing to perform tasks that are dangerous, unpleasant, and repetitive. This robot may be an any shape and size, but all are programmed and interact physically with the world. To create robots, an engineer typically employs kinematics and mechanics. Robots are used extensively in manufacturing engineering. Thank you.